Something tells me that's what a lot of people are going to want to do. I already see one boat headed out here over at the Tarpon Lodge. This is going to be a live look in the Bokeelia area. This boat slip has been busy as a lot of people are headed out on the water for this gorgeous long holiday weekend. Hardly a cloud in the sky there. Blue skies really just reflecting off of that gorgeous water. It's warm out there. We'll be heating up even more, so the water will be the place many people want to be. 75 Arcadia, the same Punta Gorda, 74 Lehigh Acres, 76 Fort Myers, 76 as well down in Naples. Clouds and radar sweeping across nice and clear, so not just looking gorgeous over in Bokeelia, but really across all of Southwest Florida. We talked about what we call that backdoor cold front that was moving through yesterday. Now well to the south of us, it's pulling in all of this dry air. You see the orange color here on the water vapor loop. That is going to be key as we go through the rest of today and into really the beginning of your work week. By noon, that dry air going to be keeping us nice and dry with temperatures near 86 degrees. We are going to see plenty of sunshine for that Labor Day weekend forecast. Really by about 1 o'clock today, we're not seeing much in the way of rainfall. I'm going to race through these models here because there's really not a whole lot happening here. We could see maybe a spotty shower, but that's going to be quickly passing. We're pretty much dry through the evening hours. Dry conditions will persist overnight, but between about 3 and 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, looks like some of our inland areas could pick up on some spotty showers. We're dry through tomorrow, your lunch break at least, and then we could see a couple of spotty showers between 3 and 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Maybe with the daytime heating, we could see an isolated storm, but as you can tell with the in-house models, we're looking at a whole lot of nothing as we head Monday into Tuesday as well. Now, lower rain chances does mean it's still going to be hot outside, but at least that lower humidity will make it feel a little bit better out there. We're forecasting a high of 91 Arcadia, 92 Punta Gorda, 91 Lehigh Acres, 91 Fort Myers, the same over in Immokalee, 93 though, so a little bit warmer down in Naples. Right now, those dew points are going to be in the upper 60s, so we're flirting with that tolerable and humid line, but it'll feel pretty good as more dry air mixes into our local area. Today's wind speeds anywhere between about 5-10 miles per hour, which means it's nice and steady out on the water for any of the boaters who want to get out on the Gulf. Today's winds coming more out of the northeast, seas 2 feet or less, with a light chop on your inland waters. When it comes to the tropics, historically, Labor Day weekend is very busy, but thankfully everything that is busy out in the Atlantic is well away from us. Now we have Gert and we also have Katia. Those are going to be fish storms and short-lived storms. They're going to be well away from us. Nothing for us to worry about. We are watching 2 other areas in the tropics, though. This one highlighted in red does have an 80% chance of developing over the next 7 days is what it looks like. It could be our next named storm. And then we also have a tropical wave that is forecast to come off of the northern coast of Africa. This one does have a 20% chance of developing over the next 7 days. Those are both things that we are watching, of course, as we're entering almost the peak of hurricane season, but it is far too early to make any calls on either of those areas. So with all of that being well away from us, you can focus on that local forecast for today. Mostly sunny with a high of 91. By tomorrow, we could see a stray shower and isolated storm. Highs continuing in the low 90s, and it looks like that forecast continues into at least the beginning of your work week. 8:51 is the time. You're watching Fox 4 Morning News.